So, Rose, you're just about to start filming. How do you feel?
Well, I'm a bit worked up lately, because I've just taken my new karate lessons. Yay! But I think it's going to go really well. I just hope the doctor isn't going to get on my nerves, because I've got some whip-ass to show him. Hi-ya!
Actually, I'm a little bit nervous about filming today. But, I think it'll go well. I mean, I have done this like a million times before, but it's just that iPod hamster thing, well, panda, I guess, is just really scary. I'm not sure if I can handle it, but don't worry, I'm sure I can. Yeah, so just before this episode, I got myself ready by taking karate lessons. And, I think it really went well. I mean, look at my posture. How cool is that? Hey! Yeah, so, when I was making this episode, I just gotten out of bed, so I was really cranky. And Rose is really getting on my nerves, so I threw a book at her and went back to my 3-story trailer. But, it still turned out fine, so I think it's a good episode, yeah. Yeah, I think it's a good episode.
Yeah, I couldn't wait to start filming with the Doctor and Rose. I mean, how cool is that? Yay! And especially Boom Boom Pow. That was the greatest song ever. I love you, Black Eyed Peas. Mwah! It was a